day, everyone. Here's a concise step-by-step guide to using the teleprompter app, free on Android and also available on iOS. It's designed for easy video recording, live streaming, or presentations with features like auto-scroll and mirror text. This guide is based on app tutorials and quick guides. First step, open the App Store, search the teleprompter, and install it. Free, quick setup. Since I already downloaded it, I open it na lang. You downloaded it first if you don't have downloaded yet.
Step number 2. Launch and create a script. Open the app, tap New Script, and type or paste your text, either your speech or notes. Step number 3. Adjust font and display. You can switch between the front and back camera depending on your preference. If you're recording at night, turn on the flash for better lighting. Auto scroll means script that scrolls automatically. Speech sync means script that scroll at the speed of speech.
Step 4. Set scroll speed. Customize the scroll speed slow for a natural pace around 30 to 50 words per minute, or choose manual swipe or voice-activated scrolling.
Step number 5. Position your device. Place your phone on a stand at eye level, just above the camera, to create a natural eye contact effect. Step number 6. Start practice mode. Tap play to scroll the text and read aloud naturally. Pause for emphasis and practice 2 to 3 times before recording.
Step 7. Record video. Activate the in-app camera. Start recording and read as the text scrolls. The script will appear in your final video. Last step. Step 8. Edit and export. Review your recording, trim any errors, save your script, and export it to your gallery for TikTok or other platforms.